Hello, friends. Welcome to another Top 5. Today, I will share to you the top 5 slow yet productive hobbies that you can adopt today to improve your own well being. Today, we are living in such a fast paced digital world. Many things overwhelm us and give us too much stress and distraction. We are all prone to experience burnout. To avoid that, there's a great need for us to slow down. Give ourselves a break. We need to intentionally slow down ourselves for our spirit to rest, for our mind to think and reflect. This is where slow hobbies come into the picture. You must do those hobbies that really interest you and make you feel great and happy. And we do it slowly. We could do things or create things that are not done in minutes, but hours or days, even months or years, savoring every moment that you spend doing them. There are many slow hobbies to choose from. Let me share to you briefly the 5 slow hobbies that are personal favorites of mine. Number 5. Read a book. Read a book every day. Aside from learning new things and keeping you in the know, reading keeps your mind active and sharp, and your body active and in tip-top shape as well. It strengthens your brain functions and it slows down memory decline. And while you read, you stay focused that you forget the stresses and tensions of the day. It actually reduces your stress, which is very beneficial to both your mind and body. It then improves your mood and then boosts your overall happiness. So, my friends, don't delay, read a book today. Number 4. Do yoga. You always think too much, whether about the past or the future, things you have done, your regrets, or things you need to do. You are simply very much preoccupied with social media and everything around you. You grow anxious and stressed from all of these. Yoga can greatly help you to focus on the now, the present, and what is going on in your body. Yoga reminds you to breathe, and in the process, relieving you from your stresses. Of course, you will feel calm, you will have a good sleep afterwards, you will feel flexible and strong. And if you are consistent doing yoga, your health will definitely improve. And you will achieve a greater level of happiness. So, just choose the type of yoga you want and start practicing. Number 3. Start crafting. Activities such as knitting, sewing, crocheting, or pottery can help you relax and focus. It lets you explore your creative thinking and expression as well. Creating something with your hands helps your mind to be active and occupied. Too occupied that you have no time to grab your phone and browse through social media. Thus, crafting helps you to unplug. Crafting makes you happy and satisfied, thinking you created something awesome. That nice sweater or dress or decor that you made can be perfect gifts to someone. A priceless gift that will be better valued than a store-bought one. So my friends, get crafty now. Number 2. Grow a garden. Growing your own food is going to be a very rewarding hobby. There will always be fresh harvests of fruits and vegetables on your table. You are sure that you and your family are eating really healthy and nutritious diet all the time. Gardening has many health benefits physically and mentally. Gardening is a fun way to relax, and while it keeps you outdoors under the sun, you get your daily dose of vitamin D. You get fresh air, and you get physical exercise too, which in turn boosts your energy. So friends, start planting. It will be worth your while. And number 1 is painting. Painting is a fun, creative hobby and at the same time therapeutic. Painting can do wonders for your health. You could use it as a form of therapy and as a stress buster, just like many other kinds of art. You release emotions and feelings as you paint, and these emotions and feelings come alive on the canvas. Even hidden emotions are expressed too when you paint. Painting enhances brain function. It strengthens your memory. It relaxes the mind and helps you to focus. The creative process of doing this art can give you joy and happiness. Creativity brings happiness. So, grab that brush and paint and start those creative juices flowing. So, there you have it. The top 5 slow yet productive hobbies you could start doing today. Hoping you will find that one hobby that fits you, that can make a whole world of difference in your life. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions for my next top 5, please feel free to comment it down below. Bye!